Hey, the very first time you fire up the MINISFORUM M1 Plus, there's this instant moment where everything feels smoother, like your old setup wasn't really slow, it was just holding you back from what your workflow could actually be. This is for the kind of person who's tired of waiting on apps to load, dragging windows between displays, and feeling like your computer is constantly a step behind what you're trying to do. You know what responsive performance feels like, and you feel it the second this machine settles into your hands. Before anything else, check the current price and stock so you know exactly what's available right now. Powerful mini PCs like this don't stay at stable levels when people realize how much capability they actually deliver. You probably knew it was time to upgrade after too many moments where your old desktop lagged under pressure, maybe intense work made it stutter, maybe quick app switching felt like a negotiation, or maybe gaming, editing, and multitasking just didn't feel fluid. You found yourself adjusting your use around the hardware instead of the other way around, and that's the point where you realize you've outgrown compromise. Swapping to the M1 Plus feels like a release. Everything feels intentional. You launch a browser with dozens of tabs, and it opens without hesitation. You jump between creative apps and the system doesn't ask for a pause. You plug in multiple displays, and with USB 4, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, each one runs confidently without fighting for space. Dual 2.5 G LAN means wired network performance isn't a bottleneck. Heavy workloads don't make you wince, they just happen. In everyday use, this changes how you work and play. You're editing videos and the timeline stays fluid. Your gaming and visuals don't stutter when scenes get intense. You're streaming, compiling code, running virtual machines, and the system stays composed instead of begging for patience. It doesn't just feel powerful on paper, it feels present every time you wake it up. Once you've lived with this level of headroom, anything slower feels like a step backward. You stop lowering settings to make performance acceptable. You stop glancing at spinning wheels. You expect responsiveness, and this delivers it. If you're even a little curious, don't let random stock dips or price swings make the decision for you. Machines this capable get snapped up fast once people start using them and realize how much smoother their day becomes. You might wonder if a mini PC can really handle serious workloads. That doubt disappears the moment you put it to the test and it doesn't flinch. It's not just capable, it's balanced. The combination of a strong CPU, fast memory, and speedy storage means you're not just meeting today's needs, you're ready for what comes next. One surprise benefit most people don't expect at first is how clean the whole experience feels. Less bulk, fewer cables, a tidy desk, and performance that actually matches the space it lives in instead of feeling like a compromise. Apps open instantly and stay responsive. Multitasking doesn't slow you down. Displays run crisp and stable. Network stays fast and reliable. Your workflow feels sharp and intentional. It's compact, so placement matters, and once you've felt this, weak systems feel slow eventually. The endless comparison loop just ends. You stop juggling specs and go with the machine that already feels like the one you'll actually use every day, the one that matches how you work, play, and create. If you've outgrown waiting, stutters, and systems that force compromise, don't let this be the upgrade you delay and regret later. Check availability now, decide with confidence, and let your PC finally keep pace with you.